Hey friends, we are going to talk about new family member of iPhone family. It's iPhone SE second generation. It's named iPhone SE 2. Its look same to the iPhone 8 specification same to the iPhone 11. iPhone SE is budget phone. The price is started at 399 USD. Okay, now let's go to look newer features of iPhone SE second generation separately.
Like I'm Jordan, Molly, come swing the thing right by me. Got a joint if you wanna get stoned. Got choppers if they want try me. Pro athlete, I'm not no wannabe. How many bottles? I said 20.